Hi boys and girls, I'm going to quickly go over how to complete the worksheet. There are two sections to it. This first part here, which is following directions, and then there's a section on coordinates as well. Okay, so this first part is following directions. You're going to be using this grid here, but you'll need to refer it to the second page in order to get your directions. So for each set of directions, start facing north from the dark blue square, and you can use this pirate ship cutout to help you figure out which direction you'd be facing. The arrow will come in handy for that. If not, then feel free to use your finger, your counter, end of a pencil, something like that in order to keep you right. This first part here is saying forward 1, left 2. So if you go back to the grid, remember you're starting on the dark blue square and it's facing north. And you can tell by the compass up here, facing north up towards the top. Okay, it was forward 1 and then left 2. So if you remember, left would be turning anti-clockwise to face west. And then we would go to 1, 2, so left for 2. Okay, you'd be on the pistol and you'd be facing west. So your answer would be pistol west. Okay. The next part of the worksheet, you are looking to read coordinates, write coordinates, and then plot them as well. Okay. So remember, we've got the x-axis along the bottom, which we always follow first, x, and then y. And I think of it, x along the corridor, y up the stairs. So let's take a look at this first section here. What is at these coordinates on the map? So you've got your x-axis first, I, and then your y-axis 4. So on the map, you go along to I, and then you go up 4, and you'd be at the island. So in there, you just write island. You can write Treasure Island if you want to. Okay, the second part here, write the coordinate of these places on the pirate map. So instead of giving you the coordinates as it did in part 1, you're going to have to write the coordinates. So this first one here, you are looking for the pirate's boots. So let's have a look. Okay, and remember the x coordinate comes first, followed by the y. So x, y. Okay, and then you would write in C3 along the corridor x up 3 for the y coordinate. This last section here plots the coordinates on the grid using a cross. Now, if you have a look at all the pictures, they are at the intersection of x and y. They're not in the middle of the square. Okay, so when you're plotting the coordinates, you need to make sure that you are where the x-axis meets the y-axis. Okay, so B1, you're going along the corridor for your x-axis to be, and up the stairs for your y. And remember, make sure it is in that part where those two lines meet. Okay, you'll be marked wrong if you've drawn it in the middle of the box. Okay, so just be careful of that. Any other questions? Mrs. Davies and I will be available from Wednesday due to the school holiday on Monday and then service on Tuesday.